हाय फ्रेंड, मेरा नाम कंचन कुमारी और आप देख रहे हैं कंचन किड्स यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम लोग पढ़ेंगे ऑनलाइन एबीसीडी। तो चलिए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। A for apple.
A for apple.
B for ball.
B for ball.
Ball means game. C for cat.
C for cat.
Cat means billy. D for dog.
D for dog.
Dog means kutta. E for elephant.
E for elephant.
Elephant means हाथी. F for fish.
F for fish.
Fish means मछली. G for grapes.
G for grapes.
Grapes means अंगूर. H for horse.
H for horse.
Horse means घोड़ा. I for ice cream.
I for ice cream.
Ice cream means J for jug.
J for jug.
Jug means पानी पीने वाला jug. K for kite.
K for kite.
Kite means पतंग. L for lion.
L for lion.
Lion means शेर. M for mango.
M for mango.
Mango means आम. N for nest.
N for nest.
Nest means घोंसला. O for orange.
O for orange.
संतरा. Orange means संतरा. P for parrot.
P for parrot.
means तोता. Q for queen.
Q for queen.
means रानी. R for rose.
R for rose.
Rose means गुलाब. S for sun.
S for sun.
Sun means सूर्य. T for telephone.
T for telephone.
Telephone means telephone. U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
Umbrella means छाता. V for van.
V for van.
Van means गाड़ी. W for watch.
W for watch.
Watch means घड़ी. X for xylophone.
X for xylophone.
Xylophone means xylophone. Y for yak.
Y for yak.
Yak means sun.
Рогаті.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra.
Zebra